In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Madrid Bull Bear Sentiment in TradingView Pro. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to click, what to search for, and how to get this indicator showing up cleanly on your chart so you can start using it in your analysis right away. First, make sure you're logged into your TradingView Pro account and you have a chart open. Any market or time frame is fine here. We just need a chart on the screen so we can attach the indicator to it. Once your chart is open, move your eyes to the top of the page and look for the button labeled Indicators. It usually sits along the main toolbar just above the price chart. Go ahead and click on that. This opens the Indicators and Strategies window, which is where all the built-in tools and community scripts live. Inside this window, you'll see different tabs and categories, but the fastest way to find what we need is by using the search box at the top. Click directly into that search field so your cursor is active there. Now type in Madrid Bull Bear Sentiment. Be sure to spell it correctly because TradingView filters results in real time based on what you type. As you start typing, you should see the indicator appear in the list below. Once you see Madrid Bull Bear Sentiment in the results, look to the right of its name and click on it once. That single click will instantly add the indicator to your current chart. After a brief moment, you should notice new lines or color cues appear either on your price chart or in a separate pane, depending on how the script is designed. If nothing shows up, double check that you selected the correct item in the list and that you're still on the chart window. From here, you can customize the look and feel of the indicator if you want. On TradingView, you can usually hover over the indicator's name on the chart and click the settings icon to adjust colors, line thickness, or visibility for different components. This is useful if you want to make the bullish and bearish signals stand out more clearly against your background or align with the color scheme you already use. If you are not yet on TradingView Pro and you'd like to unlock the full experience, including more indicators on a single chart and extra quality of life features, check out my affiliate link in the description. Using that link helps support the channel at no extra cost to you and makes it easier for me to keep creating tutorials like this. That's all you need to do to add Madrid Bull Bear Sentiment in TradingView Pro. Follow these steps once and you'll be able to set it up on any chart whenever you need it.